If you need to recover your Uber Eats account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Uber Eats website. Go to the official Uber Eats website or open the app on your device. Look for the sign-in option to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Select Need Help. On the sign-in page, click on the Need Help link. This will direct you to the account recovery options available for users who cannot access their accounts. Step 3. Choose Forgot Password. Select the Forgot Password option. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Uber Eats account to receive a password reset link. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for password reset email from Uber Eats. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 5. Contact Uber Eats support. If you do not receive the email or encounter further issues, reach out to Uber Eats customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain your situation to get assistance in recovering your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Uber Eats account without needing your phone number. If you continue to experience difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.